Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And now we have the equation. Now we have the 5 power 2h minus 7 power h minus 5 power 2h times 35 plus 7 power 8 times 35 equal to 0. Now how to solve the equation? Now we look at the solution. Alright, so we have the 5 power 2h minus 7 power h minus 5 power 2h times 35 plus 7 power 8 times also 35 equal to 0. Now we have the base is 5 and base is 7, right? And it is very easy to see that here we have two base and we have the coefficient of the own base. Now we just combine the term that has the same base or like 5 to each other, and then we do the addition and subtraction, and now we can derive to the 5 power 2h. Now here we have coefficient is 1, the remainder is 1, and here we can calculate it by take 5 power 2 to the outside, the remainder is negative 35. Alright, also the same thing, we look at the base at 7 power 8. We take the 7 power to the outside, and the remainder is the negative 1, and here is the positive 35. Alright, equal to 0. And now so look at this, here we do the subtraction, and here we also do the subtraction, so the remainder the negative 34 times 5 power 2h here also equal to plus 34 times 7 power equal to 0. And now we can simplify and cancel the 34, so the remaining 5 power 2h equal to 7 power 8. Alright, now let me remind you how to solve the exponential equation. And now look at this, if you have a power h and a power y, then we got the h equal to y. And now let me see how to solve the equation. And y and h is also sometimes is a function that we need to determine it. And now so we can look at our original equation. Here we have this, so we can derive is the alright, we can write the 5 power 2 or power h equal to 7 power 8. Alright, and now here we can write is equal to 25 power equal to 7 power 8. And now we divide both sides to the 7 power 8. Here 7 power 8, and the left hand side also 7 power 8. Alright, so the right side the remain is 1, the left side we can write it by the property of the exponential equation. It will equal to 25 over 7 power 8 equal to 1. Alright, and now we got this, and 1 we can derive by 25 over 7 power by 0. Right, so we have the same base, this and this, so we can apply to the formula, and here is the rule of exponential equation, so we can got easily by h equal to 0. Alright, and this equal to 0 is the rule of the equation. Now the question also to the end, and see you the next video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe me, and you will get the notification when I post the new video. Alright.